Hello everyone, welcome back to Pseudo Sensei. I don't have access to my mic today, so I apologize if there is some ups and downs in the audio quality. Today I wanted to touch upon package and modules that we discussed in the last video. So let's talk about packages first. Package is a powerful tool provided by Go. Every code that you write belongs to some or other package. For example, this code that we wrote in the last video, main.go, it belongs to the package main, and we declare the package name on the very top line using the keyword package followed by the name of the package. And packages allow us to import code from other code base or import someone else's code into our code and use that code, reuse it. So for example, this FMT, it's a package that is developed by Go community, and we are actually using this package to print hello world, right? We use their method println to print this hello world. You can actually check out the code that they have written. All you have to do is right click on it and go to definition. You'll be able to see all of the different methods that they have written for this package. If you scroll to the top, you'll see that they have also declared package and package name, which is FMT. They have also imported some different packages. So that's how the development goes. You import some package and then someone imports your package. So it's how the community grows. So basically, if you want to know more about this package, all you have to do is go to pkg.go.dev. So that's package.go.dev, and you can search for whatever package you want to know here. So I search for FMT, and this is the page that I got. So there is the definition for this package and all the methods that it provides, and a good amount of documentation, anything that you'll be needing. So you can find it here. So just a small thing before we move forward learning about modules. Let's talk about commenting. So to write a comment, all you have to do is put / and write your comment in front of it. For example, I can write this is my main function. So a comment is just a line or bunch of line that helps the developer understand what the hell is going on in that method or in that code. For example, when we went to the definition here, we can actually see that there are multiple lines of comments written with every method. So it makes it easier for someone else to understand what is going on, right? So other small thing that I wanted to mention is that if you're using Goland, all you have to do is press Command B or Control B to go to the definition. That's the shortcut. Or you can right click on it and go. There would be an option called Go To, and from there you can go to declaration. So yeah, you can do that in Goland. Yeah, let's talk about modules now. So as you know, we created this file go.mod, and it says module hello world. So what does that mean? Basically it means that this is our module, this is a project, and we called it hello world. This mod file is here just to help us manage our external dependencies. Right now we don't have any external dependency, so it lists nothing. Basically it just says that it's using Go 1.16. So and FMT as you know is a package that we imported from outside, but again it's developed by Go community itself. So you don't have to explicitly mention it in the dependency. But let's check out something that is pretty cool, and you'll need to mention it in your dependency. So this is Go figure. What it's going to do is just going to print out the Ascii version of hello world. So let's this is the link. I'll drop the link in the description. Let's just check this out. So to install it, all you need to do is copy this line, and let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. So last time we were using the terminal that was in our window, but now let's open the terminal in the VS Code itself. In Goland also you'll be able to open the terminal. I am forgetting the shortcut, but it should be pretty straightforward, or I'll drop the shortcut in the description as well if required. So we copied that line, we're going to paste it, and we're just going to press enter. Make sure you're in the same directory. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna import this and put it in your go.mod file. So we're going to ignore that for now, and we're going to go back to this repo and understand what it's asking us to do. So the basic example says you just have to import it. So we're going to import it. Just going to copy this line. So how does multiple import works? You just have to put a parenthesis here, and you can put out multiple dependencies. What is it saying? Okay, yeah, so it's basically giving us this red squiggly line because we imported it, but we are not actually using it. So Go is very strict about this fact. If you are creating any variable, or if you're importing any package, make sure that you use it in your code. If you don't want to use it, or don't want to use it right away, what you can do is you can just put a underscore in front of it. That means that you're just importing it for the side effects or some other stuff, but you're not going to directly use it. So we're going to actually use it, but we're going to need some help. So let's look what it has done. It has created my figure, and it has done a figure.new figure and used print on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go here and yeah, so let's just do figure dot let me increase this if it helps you. So we're just going to do figure dot new figure, and we're going to put in hello world here, and as it says the second one, it's expecting to be empty string. So right now we're just going to put an empty string. You can go ahead and read what kind of thing that has to go in the second string. So basically it takes a phrase and it takes a foot name. I'm not sure what that foot name is, so I'm not gonna bother with it, because my goal here is just to show you how to use a package, not to explicitly learn about this package. So all I'm gonna do is going to call print here. Why am I calling print? Because what this code was doing, it was creating a figure.new figure object, and it was putting it inside this. Oh, and that's my snarly thing. Yeah, no, what is it called? It's called stretchly. Why did I call it snarly? Anyway, so what it was doing, it was taking a new figure object of hello world, which we created using this line, and it was putting it inside this variable, and after that it was doing dot print on it. So we're not going to create that variable right now because we haven't learned about it. And if you did not follow anything in this video after the module thing, what I'm going to tell you is just write down this line for now, and figure.new figure, and pass in the parenthesis, do a hello world, empty string, and then true, and then just print. So we're going to learn more about variables and all of that stuff in the later videos. I just wanted to show you how to use someone else's package, and we're just going to go in our terminal and do a go build dot. This is going to create us our new hello world file, and we're going to open that hello world file. So as you can see, we've got hello world in Ascii printed here. So that is what this package was doing. We did not write the code to print this, but we used someone else's code to print this, right? So that is the power of packages. You can use someone else's code. You don't have to create the wheel again. You can go ahead and look for a package that you want on Google, and package.go.dev, and you can take it from there. So one last thing that I would like to mention is that you would have noticed that it has also created a go.sum file automatically. I would advise you not to touch this file, as it stores the SHA encryption for your dependency. It's just to tell Go like what version of this package it has to use to build this whole thing, right? So yeah, that was it. This was more of a theoretical video, so if you did not follow much on it, don't sweat so much. You will eventually start understanding all the package and module stuff. Until then, I'll see you in the next video, where we will learn about the for loops and while loops in in Golang and some other cool stuff. So see you there. Bye.